Dear students, today we are going to study about linear graph. It is the last chapter of our book. This chapter will need the graph copy and a well-sharpened pencil and a scale is must. So let us begin the chapter. Students, in our graph copy, we draw a horizontal line. It is called x-axis or abscissa, and the vertical line is called y-axis or ordinate. So this graph shows us 4 quadrants: 1, 2, 3, 4. The first quadrant is shown here, second is here, third is here, and fourth is here. Here it is given that this line is called abscissa and the vertical line is also always called ordinate, and the position of any point on the graph is known as the coordinate. This graph shows you the sign, how the sign works. This is plus sign in the first coordinate. So the coordinate whose both the members x and y are positive, those are shown in the first quadrant. In second quadrant, negative positive are shown, and in third quadrant, negative are shown, and in the fourth quadrant, positive and negative are shown. It is also given in this table. So now let us start exercise number 19.1. In this exercise, we are taking first question number 4. Plot the points 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 4 on the graph paper and join them in pair. What type of triangle do you get? Find the lengths of its sides. First we will draw x-axis. Then y-axis. Because in this question we do not have any negative coordinate, so we will not give enough space to negative side of x. This intersection of x-axis and y-axis is known as point of origin, and it is denoted by 0, 0. This is negative side is x dash and negative side in y is y dash. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here 1, 2, 3, 4. So first point we have to show is 0, 0. That I have told you that this point of origin where x and y intersect, this point is known as 0, 0. Second is 3, 0. So first we will take x and after that y. So in x 3 is here and in y 0 is here. So the point will lie here. This is 3, 0. Next is 0, 4. So in y-axis 0 is, in x-axis the 0 is here and y is having 4. So here 0, 4. Now the question is asking on the graph paper join them in pair. Okay, so let us join them. And what type of triangle do you get? 0 to 3, this line is already drawn here, and 0 to 4, it is already drawn here. Just we have to join these 2 points. This. So we can see that this is a right angle triangle because this makes a 90-degree angle here. Okay, this is a 90-degree angle because x-axis and y-axis are perpendicular to each other. So we'll write here the answer. These points form a right angled triangle. Next is find the lengths of its sides. So from 0 to 3 it is 3 unit, 0 to 4 it's 4 unit, and here if you measure this, from here suppose this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 units are here, so its length is 5. The answer is 3 unit, 4 units and 5 units. You can verify these values using Pythagoras theorem also, because the sum of the square of 3 and 4 is equal to the square of this longest side, that is the hypotenuse. So 3 square plus 4 square equals to 5 square. That will be a numerical proof. Next is question number 6. Plot the points P, Q, R, S. What figure is formed by joining PQ, QR, RS and SP? This is x-axis, x dash. Now y. Now our first point is 2 comma 6 P. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, and here negative sides, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Here it is +1, +2, +3, +4, 5, 6, and 7. Now negative sides, -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. So first point was 2 comma 6. So from x we have 2 here, and from y we have 6 here. So the point will be go straight from 2 and go straight from 6. You get here 2 comma 6, and the name of this point is P. Second point is 2 comma 1, that is Q. So 2 is this and 1 is this. So this point is 2 comma 1, that is point Q. Next is -2 comma -2 point R. So on x -2 is this, and on y -2 is this. So the point will lie here in front of -2 and in front of -2. This is -2 comma -2, and the name of point is R. Next and last one is S -2 comma -3, -2 comma 3. So in x we have this is -2 and 3. Three is here. -2 comma 3, and it is S. Now question is saying what figure is formed by joining PQ, QR, RS and SP. So let us join these points. PQ, QR, RS, and SP. As we can see that PQ is equal and parallel to SR, and RQ is parallel and equal to its opposite side SP. So this is forming a parallelogram. Figure formed on joining PQ, QR, RS and SP is a parallelogram. Okay. Now let us take one question from 19.2. Question number 4. Salary earned by Vipul is 2000 per month initially. Initially, we can take it as 0 also. After 1 year, he gets an increment of 200. Okay. Draw a graph showing salary versus number of years. So I have written here number of years and salary. Okay. So initially means at the beginning, that is 0 years, it started with a salary 2000, and after 1 year he gets an increment of 200. So after 1 year he gets an increment of 200. So 2000 plus 200 gives you 2200. And find Vipul's salary after 5 years from the graph. So we'll not calculate and write it for 5 years. We will find its answer using graph only. Okay. So calculation is not allowed here. So let us draw the figure. As the negative numbers are not here, this is y-axis, this is y dash, this is x-axis, and this is x dash. Here we will write salary. In rupees. Here number of years. So 1 year, this is 0 years. Okay, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, and 6 year. Because the question is asking us for 5 years only, so we need not to go more than required. Here the salary begins with 2000 rupees. Okay, so this marks 2000, and next mark is 2200 because increment. Okay, increment of 200 rupees every year. It is 2300 mark. 2600 plus 200 gives you 2800 plus 200 gives you 3000 plus 200 gives you 3200. So now let us begin. Our first one was 0 2000, first coordinate. So for x this is 2000 for 0 years because this line is the beginning. Next one is 2000 for 0 years. Next is for 1 year it is 2200. So in front of 1 and in front of 2200 we will mark this point as 2200 comma 1. Now using these 2 points we will draw a straight line such that the long line is connected to somewhere with this 5 years. The line should touch these 2 points. So this is the line graph. Okay, this is the line on which we are working. So in front of 5, this is the intersection point in front of 5, and in front of this point that we have located is in front of this 3000. Okay, this 3000. So we can write here 3000 comma 5. So on 5th year his salary will be rupees 3000. So that I will mention here in our table. And this is the solution. You will get full marks for this neat and clean solution. Thank you.